Guys, this is going to be the new build to the channel. This is a 2004 Chevy Silverado. Got the little 4.8 in it. Just got through taking off the exhaust. And going to be putting this high flow exhaust on this thing. It's all straight from China.
China. You want to buy from China? That's great. Buy from China. Buy toys from China. China in particular. China. I have people that I know in China. China.
So we'll see how that goes. See if any of this stuff actually fits. But I'll go ahead and open this box and show y'all what this thing is. Or what's in this box here. I'll show y'all what's in this box. Well, we got this high flow exhaust kit all unboxed, and it seems like all the main parts are here. You got that little snail looking creature there. We'll see if that actually works. See if this manifold is the same as the stock one. See, it'll bolt up and everything. This is going to be the very first turbo build that we try to do. So I want to see if all this stuff works, trying to do it as cheap as possible. This stuff is all straight from China, so I don't have really big hopes for it.
Come on now, dawg. Come on, man.
China all the time. China, when was the last time you heard?
This whole entire kit was only 800 bucks off of eBay. It comes with the 2 manifolds, downpipe, oil feed line, turbo, and a couple fittings here and there. And gives you all the hot parts anyways. Lets you get you started. But as long as the manifolds fit and the crossover pipe and stuff, always get a better turbo later, but this gives a good starting point just to try it and tempt it, make a tune for it, and just plumb everything up. And should be a good starting point to start with. And guess I'll go ahead and see if this manifold fits on the truck.
Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the middle of.
My first inspection of this manifold here, it looks like the holes are a little bit bigger than the stock manifold holes in there.
Bros before hoes, Troy.
They're also whatever you call that.
Come on, man.
Tapered. They're tapered, and they should flow a little bit better than the factory manifolds. So that makes me feel better than just not using the stock ones, I guess. But yeah, looks like the gasket to port matchup is pretty good. All the holes look like they line up, so in theory this thing should bolt on. Alright, I'll tell you what, these things fit great. Went on there without no modifications. I think this is the very first set of any type of exhaust that I got from China that actually fit. I don't know if it was because of Chevrolet or what, but
I know what's wrong with it. It's a Ford.
both of them fit without any modifications. So now I'm going to go ahead and try out the Downpipe and see if that thing fits. Oh, where'd it go? I had it all ago. Oh, it's already underneath. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and try that. And tell you how it goes. Yep. Here's the crossover pipe. Looks like it was welded by a professional Chinese robot. Only thing that's kind of concerning is this looks like plastic gasket. I don't know what it is, but I've never seen anything like it. Looks like a piece of plexiglass or something. Maybe it's a high temp. We'll see. See if it even fits first. I guess it don't fit. It has this little slinky thingy. Nope, turns out crossover pop fits, turn down fit, or the downpipe fits. All fits real nicely. This may even be the best Chinese exhaust system I've ever installed. Had no issues. Everything just went great. It all just fell on there, and all seems to work pretty good. So I'll go up top and show y'all the turbo fitment. A couple things you want to be scooted over and moved, but other than that, it looks like it's going to work. There it is. There's that downpipe. Just goes right there in a V-band onto the turbo. The turbo just sits right here by its coolant tank. I'll have to tie that air conditioner line down with something. It's a little close. I'll probably just get a turbo blanket and scoot over as far as I can and get some of that heat wrap stuff for it, and it should be okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and move this air box, get it out of the way, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put the coolant tank where this air box is, get it away from that turbo, and that's about all there is for that routing. So if you're ever looking for a eBay turbo kit, or looking at one, something cheap, one of them cheap Chinese things, I would recommend it. It fits real well. Both manifolds fit, and all seems to work alright. And then only time will tell how this turbo works out. Probably won't be very great, but some people say they're alright. I read some reviews on them. Some people said they're okay, and some people didn't, but that's how pretty much everything is nowadays. Always somebody that gets to complain.
I've got to get out of here. I've got to get out of here. Calm down. Get a hold of yourself.
Please let me handle this.
I've got to get out.
Calm down. Now get back to your seat. I'll take care of this. Calm down. Calm down. Get a hold of yourself.
Doctor, you're one on the phone. Everything's going to be all right. Please.
Sister, please, I'll handle this.
I've got to get out of here. Out of here. Out of here. I've got to get out of here.
But as for the whole deal for the fitment of all these hot parts on this thing, it sure is pretty good. Well, I guess that's going to be it for this video, guys. And catch you on the next one. And this thing's going to be getting all the cold parts on it, and figure out what I want to do with that. This air box, and gonna go ahead and order the inner pipe and the intercooler and intercooler piping, and go ahead and start plumbing that stuff in. So it's gonna be it for this video, guys. Catch you on the next one. Alright, that's good.